G'day folks. Well, before I get the sabre saw out and prepare for a run to the tip and cut up all those plastics and things and try and get them on there, I figured I'd do a little bit of a autopsy on the top half of the DLP television. This was a 52-inch Toshiba DLP. Unfortunately the area it was stored in got flooded at one point, so there's a lot of water and dirt between the diffusers and Fresnel lens and other junk. It's really not worth fixing at this point, especially considering how big they are compared with a plasma or an LCD of the same size. I think I can get about a 60-inch LCD for about $1,000, so yeah, save money for something better. Let's dismantle this and find out what's inside. I'm pretty sure it's just like an RP TV or rear projection CRT TV, but it uses a single lens and a optical emitter. But yeah, there's a mirror in there which I've already broken. There's some kind of pickup or something in there because there's extra wires going inside. Yeah, how do we open it? Screws, lots of screws. Should be able to use this Fresnel lens to melt things too. That'd be a bit of fun. Find a bit of junk plastic or something and melt it down. Alright, well, what we have is a large Fresnel lens. There should also be a diffuser on the front of it, but the main lens is what I'm interested in, because you can melt things with them. It's a giant magnifying glass. I've already got a couple from 42-inch rear projection sets, but this one here is particularly large. Yeah, there's two layers there, as you can see. As you can see, the mirror is no longer in one piece. But it's there. The light comes up from here, hits the mirror and spreads out. Pretty straightforward. What does that say? It's in Russian. Damage, do not look into lens. Oh, intense light source, prevent eye damage, don't look into lens. That's fair enough. There's another one underneath. Yeah. Digital light projection, that's what its DLP stands for. It's got some nice speaker boxes. They don't appear to have been water damaged. I'll keep them. I'll definitely keep them. Yeah, water didn't get into them. I'm going to undo these braces and get rid of the mirror, and then I can cut this into sections with the jigsaw. I'm thinking just come down here and up there and across. And that is a infrared pickup. That might even be the remote control sensor. Yeah, a little screw holding it in. That's just an IR pickup. And the other two sets of wires are for the speakers. Well, that was exciting. There's nothing in here. I guess I better separate that and at least burn something. That'll make for good views. I'll burn part of it. I'll get the mirror out and see if I can burn a hole in the back casing. Alright, well, I don't think it's bright enough, or I think it's slightly overcast at the moment, because I can't quite get this thing to, well, burn as well as it used to. Like, that's still very hot and soft. I mean, I was starting to get a little bit of smoke, but that's trying the one out of the DLP first, and then trying this one out of a normal CRT rear projection. That one seemed to work better, but they'd need to be mounted flat in the frame and all done properly. I have seen people melt things pretty seriously with one of these, but there's another trial spot. It does get hot, but it's just not quite the day for it. I need a better day and a better mounting for it. Anyway, it's a diffuser, a bit of the Fresnel lens. It broke off when I was pulling it out. Not important. That's all rubbish. I'll keep those and get on to chopping up plastics. Thanks for watching.